Hello friends, welcome to Global Online. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss some important MCQs on the unit statistics for your upcoming Maharashtra SET 2022 in economics. So if you are preparing for Maharashtra State Eligibility Test 2022 in economics subject, this video is very helpful for you. And friends, if you are preparing for Maharashtra SET in economics, here we have a crash course for you. In this crash course you will get complete theory lectures on all the units, complete MCQ lectures are available on all the units, on entire syllabus 20 plus mock tests are available, notes are available on all the units. Then you will also receive practice MCQ set. On each unit you will receive 100 MCQ PDF. So this crash course is available at only 7,000. You will also receive discount. So if you want to join, you can contact these numbers, you can call this number, or else you can also just send a WhatsApp message to this number. And you can also download our global online app from Play Store. This app is available in the Play Store. Then you can search MS Set Economics, then you can access our material. So let us move to the questions. Here the first question is, for two random variables x and y, covariance measures. Option A, direction of the relationship between them. Option B, strength of relationship between them. Option C, both A and B. Option D, variance of x and variance of y. So here for two random variables such as x and y, the covariance is going to measure direction of the relationship between them. So option A is correct here. Covariance measures direction of the relationship between the two variables. Yes, covariance indicates the relationship of two variables, and if an increase in one variable results in an increase in the other variables, thus this is known as the positive covariance. Then when one variable increases, other variable decreases, then it is known as the negative correlation. Yes, the next question is, a random walk time series is option A stationary, option B impossible to analyze, option C non-stationary, option D not useful in real world. So here the right answer is, a random walk time series is non-stationary. So option C non-stationary is correct here. Yes, all random walk processes are non-stationary. Yes, note, and all non-stationary time series are random walks. And additionally, a non-stationary time series does not have a consistent mean or variance over time. So remember all this information regarding random walk. Random walk processes are non-stationary, and all non-stationary time series are random walks, and non-stationary time series does not have consistent mean or variance. Yes, question number 3. Suppose yi is equal to alpha plus beta xi plus ei. It is a linear regression model. Goldpad quadrant test. It is a test of option A autocorrelation, option B data mistakes, option C heteroscedasticity, option D correlation between x and y. So as you all know, Goldpad quadrant test, it is a test of heteroscedasticity. So option C is correct. Yes, heteroscedasticity refers to the error variance or dependence of scattering within a minimum of one independent variable within a particular sample. Question number 4. The most suitable average for qualitative measurements. Option A arithmetic mean, option B median, option C correlation coefficient, option D geometric mean. Yes, the most suitable average qualitative measurements is option B median. Yes, median means it is the middle value in a given series, and also yes, middle value median is the middle most value in case of odd numbers of observations. Also for even numbers of observations, median is the average of two middle values. Yes, please remember it. For odd numbers, median is the middle value, and for even numbers, median is the average of two middle values. And the median, it is going to divide the data into two equal parts. So median gives the more accurate best average for qualitative data. Question number 5. The strength or degree of the relationship between a set of independent variable x and dependent variable y is measured by. The strength of the relationship between a set of independent variable x and dependent variable y is measured by. Option A, coefficient of correlation. Option B, coefficient of determination. Option C, standard error of estimate. Option D, all of the above. Yes, here the right answer is option B, coefficient of determination. So option B is correct here. Yes, the coefficient of determination, it is denoted by r square, and it is a number between 0 and 1, and it is going to measure how well a statistical model predicts an outcome. Question number 6. Which of the following is used in chain indices? Option A, sigma Pn upon sigma P0 multiplied by 100. Option B, sigma Pn divided by sigma Pn minus 1 multiplied by 100. Option C, sigma Pn divided by P0 multiplied by 100. Option D, sigma Pn Qn divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by 100. Yes, here the right answer is option B. Yes, sigma Pn divided by sigma Pn minus 1 multiplied by 100. This is used in chain indices. Question number 7. Statistic is a numerical quantity which is calculated from. Option A, population. Option B, sample. Option C, universe. Option D, hypothesis. So statistics, it is a numerical quantity. It is calculated from sample. So option B is correct. Yes, a quantity that we can calculate from sample data that summarizes the characteristics of that sample. It is a statistic. Question number 8. Indirect least squares procedure of estimation is appropriate when simultaneous equations are. Option A, over identified. Option B, under identified. Option C, exactly identified. Option D, not identified. Yes, indirect least square procedure of estimation is appropriate when simultaneous equations are exactly identified. So option C is correct here. Yes, indirect least square ILS is an approach in econometrics where the coefficients in a simultaneous equations model are estimated from the reduced form model using ordinary least squares. Question number 9. The method used to analyze the stochastic properties of economic time series on their own is known as. The method used to analyze the stochastic properties of economic time series on their own is known as. Option A, exponential smoothing method. Option B, single equation regression model. Option D, ARIMA model. Option D, VAR model. Here the right answer is option A, exponential smoothing method. Yes, exponential smoothing, it is a time series forecasting method, and this is used for univariate data, and it can be extended to support data with a systematic trend or seasonal component. And exponential smoothing, it is a powerful forecasting method that may be used as an alternative to the popular Box-Jenkins ARIMA family of methods. Question number 10. If a Durbin-Watson statistic takes a value close to 0, what will be the value of the first order? Option A, intended measure. Option B, percentage measure. Option C, best measure. Option D, poor measure. Yes, here the right answer is option D, poor measure. Yes, the Durbin-Watson statistics, it is a test for autocorrelation in the residuals from a statistical model. And Durbin-Watson statistics will always have value ranging from 0 to 4. A value of 2 indicates there is no autocorrelation, and values from 0 to less than 2, it is a positive correlation, and values from 2 to 4 means negative autocorrelation. Question number 11. Geometric mean of 2, 6, and x is equal to 6. What is the value of x? Yes, option A 2, option B 18, option C 9, option D 3. Geometric mean of 2, 6 and x is equal to 6. What is the value of x? Yes, here geometric mean root 3 into 2 into 6 into x. So 6 is equal to root 3 into 12x. So 6 raised to 3 is equal to 12x. 12x is equal to 216. X is equal to 2nx divided by 12. So the right answer is 18. Option B 18 is correct. Question number 12. The estimated regression lines are given as follows. Y is equal to 10 plus 0.4x and x is equal to minus 4 plus 1.6y. Then the coefficient of correlation between x and y is option A 0.64, option B 0.40, option D 0.20, option D 0.80. Yes, here we know the formula. Root byx in multiplied by root bxy, that is 0, byx is root byx is equal to 0.4, bxy is equal to 1.6. So root 0.4 into root 1.6, that is 0.64. If you remove the root, it will be 0.80. So option D is correct. Question number 13. For a distribution, mean is 526, median is 514 and mode is 57. The distribution would be option A positively skewed, option B negatively skewed, option C symmetrical, option D none of the above. Yes, here the right answer is option C symmetrical. Yes, sorry, here the right answer is positively skewed distribution, because mean is greater than median, median is greater than mode, then it is positively skewed distribution. Option A is correct. Yes, for positively skewed distribution, the mean will always be highest estimate of central tendency and mode will always be the lowest estimate of central tendency. For example, mean is greater than median, median is greater than mode. For example, mean 26 is greater than median 14, median 14 is greater than mode. So the same example here, mean 526 is greater than median, mid 514 is greater than mode. So mean is the highest value, mode is the lowest value. So it is positively skewed distribution. Question number 14. For a normal distribution, consider the following statements. Statement 1. It has 2 points of inflection. Statement 2. The distance from the mean 0 of these inflection points is plus or minus s. Answer from the course below. Option A, both 1 and 2 are true. Option B, neither 1 nor 2 are true. Option C, only 1 is true. Option D, only 2 is true. Yes, here the right answer is option C. Yes, option D is both are true here. Option A is correct. For normal distribution, it has 2 points of inflection. The distance from the mean 0 of these inflection points is plus or minus s. Yes, question number 15. Which is not a sampling distribution? Option A, student's T distribution. Option B, Fisher's F distribution. Option C, Poisson distribution. Option D, chi-square distribution. Yes, here the right answer is option C, Poisson distribution. It is not a sampling distribution. A sampling distribution constitutes the theoretical basis of statistical inference, and it is of considerable importance in business decision making. The sampling distribution of statistics is the frequency distribution which is formed with various values of a statistic computed from different samples of the sample size drawn from the sample population. Question number 16. Assertion and reasoning. Here the assertion is standard deviation is a mathematical method to calculate dispersion. Reason is it is the square root of deviation from mean. 4 options are given here. The right answer is option A. Both A and B are true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 17. Coefficient of correlation is independent of which of the following? Option A, change of origin only. Option B, change of scale only. Option C, change of origin and scale. Option D, none of the above. Yes, here the right answer is option C, change of origin and scale. Coefficient of determination is change independent of change of origin and scale. The coefficient of correlation, it is independent of the change of scale and origin of the x and y variables. Change of origin means some value has been added or subtracted in the observation, and change of scale means some value is multiplied or divided by the into the observation. Question number 18. Which of the following is not satisfied for independence of two events A and B? Four options are given here. The right answer is option D. P into A comma B is equal to P into A plus P into B. So this is not satisfied for independence of two events. Question number 19. Assertion is Pearson's method measures actual figures. Reason is Spearman's method measures ranks. Both are correct, but there is no relations between both two. So option B, both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Then here match the following: standard deviation, stratified random sampling, coefficient of association, mean is greater than mode. And list 2, positively skewed distribution, analysis of attributes, measure of dispersion, probability based sampling. So the right answer is option 4. Standard deviation is related to probability based sampling. Standard deviation is related to measurement of dispersion. Then stratified random sampling is related to probabilities based sampling. Coefficient of association is related to analysis of attributes. Mean is greater than mode in case of positively skewed distribution. Okay friends, this is about today's session, and if you are preparing for Maharashtra State Eligibility Test 2022 in economics, here we have a crash course for you. In this crash course you will get complete theory lectures, you will get complete MCQs lectures on entire syllabus. 20 plus mock tests are available, notes are available on all the units, practice MCQ set is available. If you want to join, you can contact this number. You can also download global online app from Play Store. Yes, I wish all the best to all. Thank you.